My name is PJ Utz, the George DeForest Barnett Professor of Medicine and Associate Dean for Medical Student Research, and I'm honored to be the graduation host at today's event. Welcome to the Stanford School of Medicine graduation. We are so excited to celebrate our graduates and their incredible accomplishments alongside their loved ones. To ensure this remains a joyful and meaningful experience for everyone, we kindly ask all guests to help us keep the event running smoothly. Anyone whose behavior disrupts the celebration may first receive a gentle reminder, and in rare cases may be asked to step outside. We appreciate your cooperation and your presence here today for our graduates. When Dean Miner called and asked me to serve as the ceremony host, it was an enormous honor. He probably did not realize at the time how the timing was so special for me. 40 years ago this fall, I arrived in California literally with just a suitcase and a backpack. I was the first in my family to graduate from college. I had never been in an airplane before. I actually interviewed in New York City at a hotel. I had never seen a palm tree, and I had never smelled eucalyptus. To use the words of a former American president, I was just a scrappy kid from Scranton, Pennsylvania. Like many of you, I had imposter syndrome, and I had no idea if I was in over my head. And like all of you, I was able to make it through. 5 years later, on the 100th anniversary of the founding of Stanford University, almost 35 years ago to the day, this Tuesday is the 35th anniversary, I sat in the audience just like all of you, together with my parents, my brothers, my family, and my friends, without whom I could not have completed the journey. It is with this personal connection to this place and this ceremony that I'm so honored to guide you through today's celebration.
Will you join me in a spirit of blessing? Let us be together. Here on the precipice of possibility, we stand at the threshold between the past and the future. Through long hours, hard questions, and endless seasons of doubt, we have arrived. We have arrived at this moment, carried here by our dedication and determination and the amazing grace of never having had to sojourn alone. Today, we offer gratitude. Gratitude for all those who walked this path with us, for faculty and mentors who guided us with wisdom and rigor, challenging us to think more deeply and serve more faithfully, for friends who became family, crafting a community of care that held us through every season, and for those who loved us most, who are sitting in the stands surrounding us even now, who have sacrificed themselves for the sake of our dream, whose faith endured even when ours at times faltered. And so for each and every one this day we offer thanks, for through them we learned not only the science of medicine, but the true art of care, the habit of disciplined inquiry, and the humility it requires. Integrity given not as policy, but as embodied practice. And the courage and tenacity to tackle the world's most pressing problems with curiosity, grit, and an indomitable spirit of hope. Friends, the world waits with bated breath, tumultuous, luminous, and in need. And so may we go forth carrying not only knowledge, but wisdom, not only expertise, but compassion, not only credentials, but a profound sense of calling. And when the moment comes, as surely it will, may we trust in what was shaped and formed in us here. Together, we can heal. Together, we can serve. Together, we can make a difference. Amen.